Welcome to the Digital Marketing Masterclass, a carefully crafted, intensive program designed to take you from foundational concepts to professional execution across the complete digital marketing landscape. Unlike typical courses that focus only on theory or isolated tactics, this masterclass combines deep strategic understanding with hands-on implementation, ensuring you graduate with both knowledge and a portfolio of real work to showcase your abilities. Why this masterclass is different. The digital marketing field is crowded with specialists who know one platform deeply but lack the strategic vision to connect different channels. Meanwhile, strategists often understand the big picture but lack practical execution skills. This masterclass bridges that critical gap. You'll develop both the strategic mindset to see how everything connects and the practical skills to execute campaigns across multiple platforms. Over the next 10 weeks, you'll progress through a carefully sequenced curriculum that mirrors the actual workflow of successful digital marketers. Begin by mastering marketing fundamentals and strategic funnel thinking. Develop deep audience understanding through persona creation and market research. Build practical skills across every major marketing channel: social, SEO, paid advertising, email. Learn the critical analytics and optimization techniques that turn good campaigns into great ones. Create a professional portfolio and develop career readiness for the job market. And what you'll actually accomplish. This isn't just about watching videos or reading material. You'll be actively building real marketing assets every single week. By the end of the course, you'll have created complete marketing funnels and customer journey maps, developed and published content across multiple platforms, built and launched actual campaigns, even if with mock budgets, constructed email automation sequences, analyzed campaign performance with professional tools, assembled a portfolio site showcasing your best work, prepared for and simulated job interviews. Beyond the curriculum, what truly sets this masterclass apart is the supportive ecosystem around you. You'll have access to weekly live Q&A sessions, detailed feedback on your work, mentorship check-ins, and a private community of fellow students to network with and learn from. This combination of structured learning and supportive community creates the ideal environment for rapid skill development. Your transformation awaits. Whether you're aiming to land your first marketing position, looking to transition careers, or planning to launch your own freelance business, this masterclass provides the exact pathway to get there in just 10 weeks. The digital marketing industry continues to grow exponentially, with companies increasingly desperate for professionals who understand both strategy and execution. The journey begins with our first session on digital marketing foundations and funnel thinking. Come prepared to think differently about how marketing works in the digital age and ready to build your first marketing assets. Your future in digital marketing starts now. Let's make these next 10 weeks count.